What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bella back in the building, and today I'm gonna be detailing my beautiful car, my Audi A5 S-Line 2011. So what I like to do is I like to wash the engine first and then go around the car. So we'll start with that. The engine bay is clean. Just a little soap and water wipe down. And now we're gonna start on the wash. So let's go. For everything I'm using, you'll find a link in the description below. Alright, usually I have a clay bar, but I know my car is clean, so I'm gonna rinse it. Okay, so this is how you know if there's wax on the car. You're gonna stand the bubble up like this. And there's wax. That's how I know my car is clean, so I don't have to pass the clay bar. So now we're gonna dry it. I'm gonna show you all the imperfections. Alright, so now my car is all nice and dry. Let me show you guys the paint. I don't know if you can see the swirls there. That's what we're gonna try to get rid of today. Scratches like that. Oh, we're gonna try, see if we can get it out. Who knows? Alright, yo, I'm about to give you guys an update on what's going on with the car. Oh my god, like a glass finish. Look at that. Damn. You can see how dirty the fan up there is. See that reflection in the car. I mean, there's still a bit of scratches because this needs to be repaint. For a wet sand, I don't know how to wet sand, so. Alright, yo, so I'm wandering around the shop. And this is the new way to do your shocks on your car. You take everything, the shock, with the disc and hub still on it, and remove it. Wow. Alright, yo, this area right here, that's where most of the scratches been shown on my car. So I'm gonna try and get that out. to leave work. So tomorrow when I bring it in, I have a little something special for my car. I'm gonna tune back in with you guys.